What's up, guys? It's your boy Dan from Rodan Studios, and we're going to Liberty Science Center.
I did. It was. How did you know that? I told you I was doing that. I don't remember telling you that. You just listen to us talk. I'll bring you one tomorrow.
I didn't have one either.
Why did you eat the one
She
today?
claims that they're really good, but it's not like there's any proof.
And the guys,
It's like, oh, my
so guys, my camera person's not doing their job because who's holding the camera?
You're doing one job. Danny,
Huh?
can you get me in this vlog today since yesterday I wasn't even in the vlog?
Oh, the camera girl has to do it.
Not that close.
So yeah, guys, we'll see you in Liberty Science Center. And if Tyrese was here, he wouldn't do anything.
True that.
We're back, guys. Making sure she's okay. Yeah, we're at Liberty Science Center. Today's just gonna be a chill day at Liberty Science Center. I'll film as much as I can. She's gonna film as much as she can for me. She'll be the camera girl for the day. So yeah, see you guys in a second. So we're just gonna look around. You can hold that. Yeah, we're gonna look around. You know what?
Hold on, I gotta do something. Excuse me.
Yeah. What's up? Oh!
Is that supposed to be doing
Nah. We will check on this.
That's what I'm getting, guys.
She's printing it rose.
Let me look.
No?
Still.
Doing motion.
No, it's not you. Printers are finicky.
Yeah.
They like being curious.
Let's guess. What game you playing?
Walking Dead.
Dead by Daylight? That's good.
You did it! Woo!
Guys, Tyrese's the Green Panther. And then here's mine, the Flash. And then some thingy, Jigglypuff. And then she's making a heart for someone. Yeah, guys, that's it. Oh, I didn't see you guys there. I just had lunch. It was yummy. I had 2 french fries, 2 ketchups, 3 sodas. So I must be full, right? I ain't full. She burps a lot. We call her Miss Burps a lot. Do you want to say anything? What did you eat, Miss Burps a lot? What did you eat?
Chicken fingers, sandwich, and soda.
A chicken finger sandwich with soda. Hey!
2 cups of soda.
2 cups of soda. You see, that's too much. Like, who would have 2 or 3? Like, that's rude.
Props that day.
We left the camera upstairs. So we're doing it old style on the Android. We are back, guys. It's been 2 days since the last clip I recorded. I just forgot to pick up the camera and we were doing a lot of stuff. But we made 2 flash rings, as you guys saw. Well, technically 3. I gave one to Tyrese. Then I made a little gift for Xavier, but I'm not going to show you guys that yet. So Xavier, if you're watching, you ain't going to know what it is. And I also have an announcement that I am going to reveal in the next video, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to film this quick outro, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.